So you might be wondering how to exactly create a Shopify Partners account. Well, this one is quite easy. Now, we all know that there are perks like you get if you do create a partners account for Shopify. But creating one can be kind of difficult, especially with a lot of phishing websites out there. So, how do you know what's the original or the legit website or link for it? Well, the direct and easiest way to basically check that is via their official website. So just go to shopify.com, and inside the official website for Shopify, you want to go to the very bottom and look for the option that says partners on their ecosystem. Let's go and just press on partners. Now it should redirect you to the official partners page here, which is shopify.com/your region/partners. Now let's go and click on become a partner. Now, in here, it's not going to ask you how do you want to sign up through your Apple account, your Facebook account, or your Google account, or if you want to create your account manually. Now, go and choose the method that you want here. So, in my case, I'm going to use Google and basically use that to log in into my Shopify account. It might also require you to review your security settings. Go ahead and do that and click on confirm. Now, from then on, they would require you to fill out certain details about yourself, so go ahead and just answer that and basically just follow the on screen steps. Now, once you've completed that, they will process your application to be a partner, and typically they will notify you once you are approved. But that's about it. Just make sure to access the correct website and the correct page for signing up for the partnership program here for Shopify, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.